Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this session, we will discuss about NAT rule, how to create NAT rule in Firewall, and how can we enable the ports using NAT rule. So guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So let's start. Why do we require NAT rule? Because we want to use our services to remotely access. You can say remotely want to access our services. So if I am in same server, if I am in same network, we want to access our service outside of network. So that's the reason we want to enable the ports, and we want to we need to create the rule. Then we need to create a rule. Then we can enable the port. Then we can access the our server to outside of network. So that's the reason we want, and it's reliable. You can enable your port you with the help of NAT rule, or you can also enable your domain. Whatever domain you are having, you can enable the domain. Otherwise, you can enable the domain means to say you host name. You need to enable the host name. So guys, I'm going to enable the one port. First I will going to create a NAT rule and use to port forwarding, and I will use port forwarding. So guys, I have login my server and go to the firewall, click on firewall. Most of the firewall having NAT rule functionality in firewall option. So there is a firewall option, there is a, you can check over on the left corner, port forwarding NAT rule. So port forwarding, I will going to create a new rules and will enable the ports. These are the rules I have already created. These are my Zimbra server, or these are the rules which I have created. So I will going to create a one new rule. So just click on add new. There is a control. I have these rules are already created. Just click on add new port forwarding rule. So it will there is a multiple option. It's depend on your configuration, and it depend on your requirement. What is the requirements of yours? So I will click on any uplink. So there is an option here, incoming service port. I will use customs user define. So I will define my port will be 8010. You can define whatever as you before starting. 80 port is the HTTP port, and 443 is the HTTP PS port. And this port you also need to enable. Once you are using the host name or the similar with IP, you need to also enable this port also, 80 and 443. So I will use my IP address 192.168.0.5. okay, and port I have using 8010, and I will like this. I will here I can mention add blocker. So I will create. So just you need to create. It will going to create a NAT rule. I have here mentioned port range will be 80, and you can just you colon, and you can add more ports, or similarly you can add also more ports here. So I am using here, I will use only one port, and just you need to press on create a rule. So once it's created rule, we need to apply the rules. You just need to click and apply the rules. So this is the simple steps to create a rule. And I will show to you one more thing. Once you will click again, you need to click on add and port forwarding, click on app any link, and here is the option user define, and here is the option TCP and plus UDP. You can select only either TCP, either UDP, or if you want to if you are using TCP or UDP plus, you can use both of them. So I have already created a rule. I have created one rule. So in live environment, I will show to you here. You go to my page. This is my real-time application, Indian firewall application. These are the rules which I have created. So if I wanted to access my rule, so this is the rule which I have created. So I will show to you. There is this rule. I will show to you this 8989. I have 8988, which I have enabled the rule in this. So I will tell you once if I will going to uncheck this I'm not able to access this service even in my network. I will show to you here. 8988, you can check here 192.168.5.10.8988. I press enter. So you can HTTPS, because I have used for HTTPS. Once you will have HTTPS, go there. So you can use here these services. You have landed on this page. So there is two HTTPS, or I will tell you also 8989. You can use this and it will not ask for the HTTPS 08989. So you have landed on this page. So you have successfully landed on this page. If you will uncheck these services, you are not able to log in. You are not able to get the services. And outside or inside, you are not able to. Inside your network, you are also not able to access, and outside your network, you are also not able to access. Once you are not able to access this. I will show to you here, because it's taking some time. I will show to you here. And once you will check, I need to apply this setting. I already have applied this. Also need to uncheck this 8989. So sorry guys, I have applied only HTTPS, which is 443. I have here 8988, which I have applied. So I have given this my IP address, host name, and from host name you can also do that. Okay, again 192.1.0. You are not able to use this. So what is the difference? Zero. So you can check over here. Now you are not able to access because you have just unchecked these services. So now you can go to the your firewall. Go to your firewall or enable this service. Once you will enable these services, you can able to log in you can get the services which you are having, which you have enabled. So 8989, you can check over here. You want to check these services, go to and check these services 89, and you need to I also need to select another HTTPS which I have enabled. And now I want to apply this setting. Once I will apply this setting, I'm able to get the services. So you can check over here. So finally you can get these services. So guys, this is the process to enable the and create NAT rule, network address translation rules. And once you can check over here 8050, 8080, and 80, whatever port you want to custom port you can use. You can use custom port, whatever port you require you can use. So guys, this is the process to create network address translation rule, and this is the process to add the ports with the help of NAT rule. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.